Soliloquy of the Spanish Cloister by Robert Browning. Grrr! There go my heart's abhorrence. What your damn flower pots do. If hate killed men, brother Lawrence, God's blood would not mine kill you. What? Your myrtle bush wants trimming? Oh, that rose has prior claims, needs its leaden vase filled brimming. Hell dry you up with its flames. At the meal we sit together. Salve tibi, I must hear wise talk of the kind of weather, sort of season, time of year. Not a plenteous cork crop, scarcely dare we hope oak galls. I doubt. What's the Latin name for parsley? What's the Greek's name for swine snout? We'll have our platter burnished, laid with care on our own shelf. With a fire new spoon we're furnished, and a goblet for ourselves. Rinsed like something sacrificial, ere it is fit to touch our chaps, marked with L for our initial. There his lily snaps. Saint forsooth! While brown Dolores squats outside the convent bank, with Sanchicha telling stories, steeping tresses in the tank. Blue-black lustrous, thick like horsehairs, can't I see his dead-eye glow, bright as 'twere a Barbary courser's, that is, if he had let it show. When he finishes reflection, knife and fork he never lays, crosswise, to my recollection, as do I, in Jesu's praise. I the Trinity illustrate, drinking watered orange pulp, in 3 sips, the Aryan frustrate, while he drains his at 1 gulp. Oh, those melons, if he's able, we're to have a feast so nice. One goes to the abbot's table, all of us get each a slice. How go on your flowers? None double? Not one fruit sort can you spy? Strange. And I, too, at such trouble, keep them close-nipped on the sly. There's a great text in Galatians. Once you trip on it entails 29 distinct damnations, one sure, if another fails. If I trip him, just a-dying, sure of heaven as sure can be, spin him round and send him flying off to hell a Manichee. Or my scrofulous French novel, on grey paper with blunt type, simply glance at it you grovel, hand and foot in Belial's gripe. If I double down its pages, at the woeful 16th print, when he gathers his green gages, ope a sieve and slip it in't. Or the Satan, one might venture, pledge one's soul to him, yet leave such a flaw in the indenture as he had missed till past reprieve. Blasted lay that rose acacia we're so proud of, high thy hine. Saint as Vespers, plena Clatia, Ave Virgo, brr, you swine.